Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. All this time I've been busy with work and oh, by the way, this is Sweet Pea. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for your support all this far. And this time, this episode of the video is very special because I'm taking you with me to Montenapoleone in Milan, Italy. I was there with a couple of colleagues and I got something which has been on my list for like 1.5 years. And of course, this will be a special trip, a special footage, and I hope you will like the video. And of course, at the end of the video, I'm gonna share with you my shopping trip to Gucci in Montenapoleone. Leave your comments below, share the video, give it 2 thumbs up, a like, and of course, subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna see you again later. Enjoy the video. Hi, welcome to Gucci Montenapoleone in Milan. Waiting for some stuff here. Hi guys, and this is the Gucci GG Marmont belt that I finally get my hands on. And as usual, this is the paper packaging, and inside is the box. And of course, on the inside, we still have like 2 envelopes. I think one is just to say thank you for purchasing. The other one will be, I think, an envelope of invoice. And surprisingly, they give me a very simple bag, a tote bag made of cloth or fabric that says Gucci 100. So it's very interesting, right? Okay, so what exactly did I get? Let's see. This, as you know, that I love gray color, and of course, it's quite hard to find a good gray color belt. Normally, it will come in blue, black, or brown, and for this one, it looks something like this. Green on the outside and red on the inside. Comes with the Gucci dust bag as usual. And let's open this and see. Okay, voila. So this is the GUCCI Aria collection. I think it's the GG Marmont. And this is the buckle. It actually comes in various colors. I think it should be blue, orange, or green. And this is the gray color that I'm looking for. With my size, of course. And I think it's slightly smaller in the width, but nevertheless, who cares about the sizes, right? As long as you get the gray color, any gray will be nice for me. It's the GG Marmont. It fits perfectly, fortunately. And this is how it looks when I put them on. This is how it looks when I put this on. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video this time. And this is the GG Marmont in gray color. My favorite. I hope you like the color too, and the belt, of course. Well, I hope to see you again in the next video. Don't forget to leave your comments below, share the video, give it 2 thumbs up, like the video, and of course, subscribe. I'll see you soon in the next video. Ciao.